Ano nga ba ang totoong dahilan kung bakit wala ang kapuso star na si Jeneline Mercado sa latest GMA Station ID 2024? Tara't na't alamin! Nagsalita na ang talent manager ni Kapuso star Jeneline Mercado kung bakit wala ang alaga sa latest GMA Station ID 2024 na nagbistulang nagpaalab pang lalo sa ningas na baka lilipat na siya sa ibang estasyon. Nilinaw ni Becky Aguila na siyang founder ng Aguila Entertainment na kaya wala sa Station ID si Jen ay dahil hindi siya available ng araw na na-shoot ang nabanggit na Station ID. Paliwanag niya, si Jeneline ay loyal artist ng GMA at mananatiling loyal hanggat gusto pa siya ng home network na magstay sa kanila. Si Jeneline ay nagsimula sa Kapuso Network nang manalong Ultimate Survivor sa artista search na Starstruck. She was absent from the station ID simply because she was unavailable that day. Rest assured, GMA extended an invitation to her, which we very much appreciate, anya. Nilinaw rin ni Becky na loyal kapuso si Jen hanggat gusto pa siya ng network na manatili sa kanilang poder. I just want to clarify to those who keeps on insinuating the issue of network transfer that Jeneline is a loyal artist of GMA and will always remain loyal for as long as her mother network wants her to say, ani ni Becky. Pagdating naman sa kontrobersyal na TikTok comment ni Dennis. As for Dennis, alleged comments on TikTok, it was not him. Dennis is very humble and respectful and known to be a man of few words. He is not the type who would release comments that are insensitive to others, most especially to his former colleagues in ABS-CBN, where he was first launched via Star Circle. His account was hacked yesterday as what our official statement said. Hope this clears everything. We appeal to the public to stop spreading hate and false accusations online. Thank you, anya pa. Huling proyekto ni Jen sa GMA ay ang seryeng Love, Die, Repeat na unang pagtatambal nila ni Sian Lim. Lalo ring lumakas ang chikang may posibilidad na maging kapamilya si Jen dahil sa pagkagawa niya ng album sa Star Music, ang music label arm ng ABS-CBN, na pinamamahalaan ni Jonathan Manalo. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating chika for today. Ano kaya sa tingin nyo ang nangyari? Mag-comment lang dyan sa ilalim at huwag kalilimutang pindutin subscribe at bell button para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag nag-upload ako ng pinakabago at umaalab na chika. Pakipindot na din ng like at share button para marami pang ma-upload kagaya ng ganitong content. Yun lamang, paalam!